Back everybody. So today we're going to be doing some cheesesteak tacos. Oh yeah. My name is RJ and this is Beginners Barbecue Outdoors. All right guys, here you have it. We have these sirloin Philly steak. I buy these at Walmart. I tried them once and I love them. So pretty much they're frozen and they come in 4 per package. So you got 4 of these. I already used one. I bought 2 packages, already used one and one from this one. Got some mozzarella cheese, got my veggies. We're adding some beef chorizo on this. Now, this cook partially came an idea from the Crazy Pops. He did a Mexican style cheesecake, and the only difference that he did was he put it on a ciabatta bread. And I saw that and I was like, oh, that's a good idea. Now, I wanted to do this, and I'm like, but I don't have ciabatta bread right now. The wife's like, why don't we do them in tacos? And I was like, you're on. So thanks to the Crazy Pops for giving me this idea to start up with this idea. That being said, let's go ahead and fire up our Blackstone. So also these are already pre-seasoned, so we don't need to season them anymore. Go ahead and close it for a few minutes. All right, guys, we give them a flip. And then once pretty much is almost thawed out, it'll start to kind of come apart. You see that? So let's go ahead and add our veggies down here. Add a little. We're gonna add some cubano for our veggies. Love it. Love the cubano for veggies. Smells so good. Man, that cubano brings out a great smell. Love that smell it gives out. Alright, now that our veggies are almost ready, our meat is pretty much almost there. Let's go ahead and add our chorizo. I got the beef chorizo. You buy this at Walmart too. So it's going to be just enough to cover all of this. So that might be good enough right there. That should be good enough. So maybe that's 1/4 of this. Man, you ever guys never done chorizo? Man, it smells great when you're cooking it. Go ahead and add our cheese. Is that all of it? Just put our tortillas down. It's almost ready. Bam, just add a little bit of our just like that. Bam. All right, let's go taste it. All right, guys, so here you have it. Oh my God, they look, oh, it smells so good. Now we got to add some more homemade salsa. Come on now, you know? Oof. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Oh, shoot. Ooh. This might take my top 3 things that I've cooked in the Blackstone. Oh, wow. This is amazing. Amazing. You guys need to try this. This stuff you get it at Walmart. All this stuff at Walmart. Except for the Cubano, you gotta go to Lane's. I got the link in the description for this. Other than that, everything else. Homemade salsa, not there. But they have many different salsas you guys can get. But gee whiz, this was amazing. You guys checked out these videos? Hit that like, hit that boom, hit that subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.